A is for anglerfish. Anglerfish. B is for barracuda. The barracuda. C is for crab. Crab. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. E is for elephant seal. Elephant seal. F is for flounder. Flounder. G is for garden eel. Garden eel. H is for hermit crab. Hermit crab. I is for Indian glassfish. Indian glassfish. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K is for killer whale. Killer whale. L is for lionfish. Lionfish. M is for manta ray. Manta ray. N is for needlefish. Needlefish. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q is for queen parrotfish. Queen parrotfish. R is for ratfish. Ratfish. S is for seal. Seal. T is for turtle. Turtle. U is for unicorn fish. Unicorn fish. V is for viperfish. Viperfish. W is for walrus. Walrus. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y is for yellow boxfish. Yellow boxfish. Z is for zebra moray. Zebra moray.